Alright, good morning. Man, getting ready to go up and get a 8-pound pork butt on the Traeger. Not my little baby Traeger, big fancy Traeger. So I'm going to get it going, and then going to be making a trip over this afternoon to Whiskey Bent Barbecue over in Lakeland, try to pick up some seasonings while we're here. Never been there. It's supposed to be a pretty good barbecue store over there, so we're going to go check it out. Actually, me and my brother are going to slide over there and check it out. He needs some pellets, so we're going to go over there and see what's going on over there. Going to get a little work done around here, and
not sure what else, but I'm sure something will come up.
Yeah. So first things first, got to get that pork butt going or it ain't going to be done. So I'm going to get it on right now. All right, there we go. Had that thing just kind of sitting in the fridge, all seasoned up. So bring it to you guys shortly. Looks good. All right, so just got back from Whiskey Bent Barbecue over in Lakeland, Florida, and got some good stuff. Super excited to try out some of this. So I'll show you what we ended up with. So this is a mustard-based barbecue sauce. My brother picked these up for me a while back and was hanging on to them for me. So got a couple of Swamp Boys barbecue sauce. We got Whiskey Bent Rocks dry rub, which is going to be for beef. This is going to be some rub that we're going to use on whole chicken that I've got in the fridge right now. And then we've got some pork injection. So some new stuff to try out, show you guys. We'll definitely let you guys know what we think about these seasonings, especially the pork injection. Really looking forward to using that. The pork that we're doing today, I injected with just some apple juice with some of the seasoning mixed in it. So the next one that we do is have to get another one. Just have to get another pork and inject it with our pork prod injection. Let you guys know how it is compared to injecting it with apple juice. So that's where we're at right now. We just wrapped that pork. Should be done in about, I'm going to say about 3 hours. We let it get to 160. Just wrapped it in foil, put it back on, turn the temperature up to 275. So should be done here in about 3 hours, and we'll be ready to shred it, and we will be eating. And it should be absolutely delicious. Really looking forward to it.
It's the best way to exercise your dog if you have a...
Look, she knows now. Look at her. She knows.
And that's as soon as she's like 1 or 2 miles back, kind of. Bye.
So funny. Good girl. All right, 8 hours later, that's what we got. There you go. Nice. Time to shred it. All right, well, we are back here at the fifth wheel. Wow, what an amazing dinner, man. I mean, we went with the pulled pork. Cooked that bad boy for 8 hours. So the process was I actually injected it and did the rub on it yesterday. It was in the fridge overnight. Pulled it out this morning, put it on at about 10 o'clock, cooked it for 5 hours at 250 degrees, wrapped it in foil, cooked it at 275 degrees for another 3 hours. Internal temperature was 203 degrees, which is perfect. And then we actually, we were kind of hanging out, chit-chatting a little bit, so we just turned the grill off and let it sit on the grill for about an hour after it was done. just kind of let it sit there in the foil, and then we pulled it off and shredded it. It turned out absolutely amazing. Everybody loved it. We had some coleslaw, which I actually got rave reviews on. So
Yes.
I had some people that are not typically a coleslaw fan. They were wanting the coleslaw recipe.
So they have requested that he makes it again before we leave Florida. So he is going to plan on doing that Sunday
Yep.
and putting together a recipe to share with everyone.
So I'll share it. I mean, you know, I didn't know I had the magic coleslaw recipe, but everybody loved it. I know I like it, but I like coleslaw anyway. So I converted a few people over to being coleslaw fans. So you know, I'll give you guys that recipe when I make it there on Sunday. I'm not sure what we're gonna be cooking on Sunday just yet.
Not sure what our main dish is going to be, but I hear we're also doing beef jerky on Sunday.
Right. Yeah. So my brother wants to give me a tutorial on making his beef jerky. So
That should be interesting.
we'll have to bring that to you for sure.
We've never attempted that before, so
Nope.
that should be fun.
So just overall, really good day. Definitely enjoyed flying the drone. So that footage was done on my brother's drone. He hasn't broken out in a while. You know, he knew we're doing the daily vlogs and we're traveling around and doing some things. So he broke it out, so I kind of have a trial run at the drone, and I really enjoyed flying it. It gave us some really cool footage. So I'm not in the market for a crazy expensive drone, but I will be in the market for, you know, a drone that will get the job done relatively inexpensively. So if anybody has any suggestions on inexpensive drone that, you know, does a good job, has a good camera, you know, definitely drop that in the comments below. We're open to suggestions, because I think after today we're probably in the drone market. Not for every video, but it's definitely something we like to have. There's definitely some cool places that we've been to that when we're there, you know, we're like, man, it'd be nice to have a drone to fly and get a, you know, overhead shot of this place. So, you know, if anybody has any suggestions, feel free to drop those in the comments below. And I think that's it.
I think that's all for tonight.
If you hear that water running in the background, that is not a massive water leak. That is Dylan getting a shower.
Or it could be the rain.
Or it could be the rain. Either one. We got both going on right now. So we're going to call it a night, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.